Hello everyone and welcome to Bublis World Cuisine. Today I'll show you how to make salt. Not just any salt, the one which is tangy in taste. It's lemon salt and it takes only two ingredients, lemon and salt. Now I want to say that lemons are in season, that's why I'm making lemon salt, but that's not the case. You get lemons all year round, almost every part of the world. So I have 10 lemons here and 3 tablespoons of salt. I'm just using regular salt, nothing fancy. So what I like to do is first I roll the lemons, and if you roll them like this, you can get maximum juice out of them, and who doesn't want every bit of juice from them? Anyways, so once it's done, you want to cut them in halves and then we will squeeze the juice out of them. This salt tastes so great in many cuisines. Anyways, I like to use a sieve so that while squeezing, if there is any seed or bits, the sieve can take out of them because we don't need them in our lemon salt. So I was trying to be brave by squeezing it by hand, but it's a tiring job. Doesn't matter how much you roll them. So I'm using this wooden squeezer. Okay, now I have 250 ml of lemon juice here, which is around a cup of liquid. So I have taken the seeds out and the bits out and it's ready. Pot in the stove and now the fun part starts, which is cooking. So I've poured all the juice in the pan and now I'm adding salt to it. Now you want to put your heat to medium or even high because our aim is to dissolve the salt and bring it to a boil. Soon it will come to a boil and you'll see that salt has dissolved, and now our aim is to bring back the salt. So what you want to do is lower the heat to medium and then occasionally keep stirring. Gradually you'll see that the salt is becoming solid again. Although it dissolved, now it's coming back solid. So you want to scrape the sides because otherwise you'll have a lot of salt on the sides. So scrape from time to time. And now you want to lower the heat to minimum because now most of the water has evaporated, but it's still not ready. It's still not ready and it's still not ready. It takes around 20 minutes for the amount of juice and salt I have used in the recipe. And once it's done like this, you want to remove it from the heat because if you want to cook it further, you're going to ruin your pan and I really don't want that. So still we have a lot of moisture in this lemon salt, but we will remove them using a different technique. So I have now you want to put it on a thick kitchen towel because we want to get rid of the rest of the moisture on using kitchen towel. Be careful, it's very hot now. What you want to do is lay them flat and you want to leave some space in between so that they can dry quicker. And after half an hour to an hour, what you want to do is change the tissue. So just keep stirring every now and then, and after an hour just remove the old kitchen towel and put the salt in a new one, and that helps in getting the moisture out quicker. Although it takes few hours and you can leave it overnight, but I would suggest after 4 or 5 hours to put it in a jar so that you can keep the scent in. So now after 4 or 5 hours my salt is very dry, and what I like to do is I put a little bit of rice in the jar where I'm going to put the lemon salt, and this is a sterilized jar. So what this rice will do is it will absorb extra moisture from this lemon salt. It's all done and I hope you like the recipe. If you liked it, please show your support by clicking the thumbs up button. Thank you everyone for watching my video. My lemon salt is all done. Take care and bye for now.